Okay, folks, what do we have here? It's a Honda CB500 in a yellow color. It's 499cc to be exact. But yeah, it's been sitting for a whole winter. It's been like 6 months or so, and yeah, we'll try to start it up and see how it goes. We have a pretty charged up battery. I've just been charging it for a whole day now, so it has to be good. And yeah, the fuel is like premium fuel inside in it, and we'll use choke and well, half of choke, or maybe a bit more, because it's like 10 degrees outside, 10 degrees Celsius, not Fahrenheit. Okay, yeah, let's see how it goes. Ignition on, lights off. I don't use this button because my driver teacher said that you don't need it. You just need to use your key. Okay, clutch in. Let's fire it up. I guess we need a bit more of choke. I'll use full choke. That's better. I guess the winter did it. Stick around. Let's take you around. Choke off. It smells kind of weird. I don't know. Maybe some mice inside, mice nest or something. Okay, let's warm it up just a little, and I'll do the first ride up until the end of the street. pretty well. Have to warm it up just a little, up until the working temperature, and just turn it off and leave it for a while, for a week or so, and then we'll take like a first real run, because it's still April and it's kind of chilly. The guys are driving motorcycles, but I don't like that cold weather. So yeah, this was the Honda, and as you saw, it was a pretty good startup. If I would use full choke, it would be much easier, but you know, I don't want to push it. Just, you know, clog it up with fuel and something. That's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.